Hello and welcome to the Met Office forecast for the week ahead. Strong winds from the southwest will dominate the weather across the UK this week. That means it will be very mild, particularly by night, but in some places it will also be very wet, especially towards the northwest of England, North Wales, parts of western Scotland. Having said that, it's going to be cold and dry to start the day in the southeast with some sunshine first thing. But here comes that southwesterly airflow, pushing a lot of cloud in from the Atlantic, pushing a spell of rain across northern parts of the UK first thing. Then it does dry up and brighten up in many places, but the rain stays persistent in the northwest of Scotland, some small amounts elsewhere. A lot of cloud cover, some breaks developing, some brighter spells, but this strong wind strengthening through the day, bouncing over the hills of the north to give some keen gusts across northeast England, southeast Scotland, but also reaching gale force by the evening for exposed parts of northern and western Scotland. So wet and windy in the northwest, 13 Celsius here, brighter but breezy further south, and mild, 16 or 17 Celsius. That mild airflow coming all the way from the subtropics. It's with us for the next few days at least, but it also contains a lot of moisture and a weather front which has waves in it. These ripples that provide a boost in the rain but also slow down the clearance of that front, so it just keeps pushing north through the next few days, bringing those more prolonged and heavier outbreaks of rain to northwestern parts of the UK in particular. Having said that, it is going to be very mild. These are the temperatures by dawn on Wednesday. So Tuesday night, temperatures not falling much below 12 to 15 Celsius across the country. A grey start, though, for many, and a wet start. The rain in the northwest of Scotland having sunk into northern England and parts of North Wales overnight. It persists here through the day, and it looks likely that southwest Scotland could see as much as 60 millimetres in places, at risk of flooding here, but more especially Cumbria will see those rainfall totals throughout Wednesday and the early part of Thursday really mount up. We're looking at 80 millimetres widely across Cumbria, 140 millimetres over some hills, and in one or two spots 200 millimetres of rainfall, so risk of flooding from that rainfall warning in force. Brighter skies, meanwhile, for the northwest of Scotland, some showers here. Northern Ireland seeing rain come and go, particularly later on, but further south across much of the rest of Wales and much of the rest of England, brighter spells. We've still got that strong wind, but it's coming from the southwest, so 18 Celsius possible in the southeast, a bit cooler there, where we've got some brighter weather in the northwest of Scotland. Actually, much of Scotland and Northern Ireland doing OK on Thursday with some bright spells, a few showers into the west of Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland. Beautiful sunny skies for the Northern Isles. But for much of Western England, much of Wales as well, we'll see those outbreaks of rain push their way south, and so a wet day to come there for southwest England and South Wales in particular. Some concerns there, given the ground is fairly saturated following last week's rain. Brighter still across East Anglia and the southeast with 17 Celsius once again on the cards. The weather front then pushes north once again. Another one of these waves, increasing the activity on it and keeping it from clearing properly across the UK. So it looks likely on Friday, although some details are uncertain at this stage in terms of the location of the heavier rain, it looks most likely that it's parts of Western England and Wales where we'll see further spells of rain through the day. Drier and brighter again, East Anglia in the southeast, and again mild. And we've got those showers once more for northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland with some sunshine in between. But it's in the middle where we're likely to see further heavy and persistent rain that could cause problems by Friday. As we end the week, no sign of that front making a real significant clearance. You can see a few more waves on it, and really it's because it's travelling on the jet stream like this, and the jet stream diving to the south of the UK, and so we're right in the development zone of this jet stream, and that is of concern for the weekend because any one of these weather fronts could develop into an area of low pressure during Saturday and Sunday and bring potentially some disruptive wind and rain with it. So certainly something we'll be watching closely over the next few days, and we'll keep you updated right here at the Met Office. You can follow those updates on social media. Bye-bye.